This is the easiest way to earn over $100 a day with ChatGPT and OBS. Now, if you're brand new, don't worry, you're in the right place. I have nothing to sell you. In fact, everything in this video is going to be completely free, including all of the bonuses that I'm going to be throwing in, like 2 different softwares, Shineify, which helps you generate videos, and ShineRanker, that helps you create viral content with targeted viral topics that you can find through the app. I'm going to also be giving you a checklist that's step-by-step on everything you need to do to get set up earning money online. I'm going to give you a list of over 400 AI tools. I'm going to give you reels that you can start using on your own social media pages and all kinds of other bonuses, including a VIP Discord. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss out on all of this because it's completely free to get started with today. And all I need you to do to access these bonuses is just drop a subscribe, comment on this video, and like the video, and I will send you all of this free of charge. Okay, so what are we going to be talking about specifically today? So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a tool like ChatGPT to generate content for us, or generate a script for us that we can then use in our own content to sell things to people. And so we're going to be specifically talking about not just short form content, because our company actually automates a lot of our short form content, but also long form content, meaning a longer video like the one you're watching right now, over 10 minutes. And we're going to be using ChatGPT to actually generate a script for us. And once we have that script, we just have to read off of it into a free tool called OBS. And then we can have other people edit our videos if we don't feel like editing them. And we can profit just by sending traffic to different links off the list I told you about earlier, because this is a list of over 400 different tools, services, and products that we can actually get paid to promote. And if you don't believe me, just look at this one affiliate program, just one of the tools on this list that's paying me thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And all I'm doing is getting people to click on links that look like this. To get started, we're just going to select one of the tools off the list. So in this situation, because I've already had success with GoHighLevel in the past, I'm going to go and select GoHighLevel as the tool that I'm going to be promoting. Now, to get an affiliate link for one of these tools, we're just going to scroll to the bottom of the website, and generally you will find an affiliate program at the bottom of the website on most of these tools, and you're just going to click on Become an Affiliate. Now, if you can't, for whatever reason, find the affiliate program, I would just go to Google, type in something like GoHighLevel Affiliate, and I'm sure you'll be able to find the affiliate program. Now, make sure you do look at the different options when you are joining affiliate programs, because some affiliates will offer you higher commissions and lifetime reoccurring commissions where others won't. And by the way, just a quick disclaimer here, you don't have to promote any affiliate program. If you have your own products you want to promote, that's fine too. I'm just going to show you how you can do this if you don't have your own products to promote yet. Now, once you're in, you're going to get a link that looks like this. You're just going to go ahead and copy that for later and maybe put it in a notepad just so you have it, because this is the link that we're going to be promoting with our videos and with ChatGPT. Once we have that link, all we're going to have to do is go and access a few different tools that are free to get started with. So first of all, I would recommend going to our company, Shineify.com, going and grabbing the free trial. It is a 7-day free trial. And once you're in the free trial, you will be able to access our different tools, including that checklist, as well as all kinds of different cool things that I'll talk about in a second. The next thing I will recommend that you go get is OBS, obviously. We're going to click on OBS, and we're going to click on Windows, Mac, or Linux, whatever operating system we have. I'm assuming most people either have a Windows or a Mac, so I'm just going to download here. And then once I have it, I'm going to open up OBS. Okay, now that that's all done, you should have a little window that looks like this. And it's just going to be a completely black screen. So in the case that we want to just record a video of just our voice, we actually don't need to add anything. But if we wanted to do a screen share like the one you're watching right now, we would just go under our sources and click on the plus button, and then we do a display capture. And once we do a display capture, it will record our screen of whatever monitor we select. And now we can actually do a screen share, and we can start talking about whatever we want to talk about. So I can click start recording. But obviously we need a script first in order to be able to make a video. So that's where we're going to go to ChatGPT and click on new chat. Now, if you have ChatGPT Plus, great. If you don't, that's fine as well. It doesn't really matter because both of them work very well. Now, what I recommend is finding keywords that you want ChatGPT to generate content or scripts for. Now, for finding the keywords, our partner company, ShineRanker, which you get when you sign up for Shinify, actually finds you these keywords. So you would go to app.shineranker.com after grabbing the free trial for Shinify, and then you'd head over to the viral topic finder here. So if we're going to be talking about high level, we could type in something like GoHighLevel, and we could also type in related keywords like website CRM, email list builder, and just anything that we're going to be thinking that people are searching for when they're looking for a tool like HighLevel. Now, what Shinify is going to do is it's going to find all of the most viral topics around GoHighLevel, website CRM, email list builder. And the cool thing is that we actually integrate with ChatGPT so that we find keywords with AI. So you want to make sure you have enhance with AI selected when you're in ShineRanker because it's going to give you all of the unique AI-based keywords that ChatGPT is actually finding for us. Now that we have this list, we can go ahead and export these keywords as a CSV. We can also save them in our dashboard for later as well by clicking on track. And now we have these in our dashboard here. We have the CSV, so we can head back into ChatGPT and we can actually upload this CSV. So here you can see this was one that I just did a second ago. It has a list of all these different keywords. And I said, analyze this spreadsheet and help us come up with 10 video titles that are similar to this one based on these keywords. And it gave me a bunch of different titles based on the keywords that I uploaded. So let's do it again. We're going to do it now with this new CSV around HighLevel. So this just uploaded. Now I'm going to type in, please create 10 viral video titles around the keywords on this list. And once we get all of the titles, then we can actually have ChatGPT generate us our script. And so you can see where this is going. Pretty soon here, we're going to have a very easy to create video that we can either create ourselves or we can have AI created as well, like Shinify. So here we can see how to make $10,000 a month with GoHighLevel step by step, unlock the power of GoHighLevel. And so let's just say I want to do this video. Is GoHighLevel right for you? Honest review and pricing breakdown. I can say I decided to go with this video title. Can you now make me a script for this video? And by the way, if it doesn't give us enough of a script, we can make it longer as well. But here we go. We have the intro, the presenter, part 1, part 2. And so this is something where all I really have to do is just read off the script. And so OBS, as you saw a second ago, if I don't want to record my face, it'll still let me record my screen, and I can just record the voiceover and I can hand the voiceover to somebody to go and turn this into a video. But if I don't want to hand it to somebody else, I can either edit myself or I can use Shinify to generate the video, which I'll show you how to do. So here you can see this is a pretty long video. It says, so what exactly is GoHighLevel? Simply put, it's an all-in marketing platform. And let's say I don't see a place to plug my affiliate link. Well, I can say in this script, please mention the special deal they get when they click on the affiliate link in the description. And now it's going to actually plug the affiliate link in that script. And that is a much better situation for us because now we actually make money when we do the video. So we can keep prompting this till we have a script that looks good for us. And once we have a good enough script, we are going to either read off that script by just speaking into OBS, or we're going to head over to Shinify and we're going to take this script here and we're going to go to the AI tools and then image to video and then put this script in here. And I can put as much as I want in here. So if I want to make this longer, I can go back to ChatGPT and grab the next part. And I can just keep pasting all of this into Shinify until I have my full video, and I can click on save and then I can generate the video. Now, Shinify will let me generate the video with different aspect ratios. So if I want a long form video like the one you're watching right now, I can click on landscape. If I want a short form video like a reel, I can generate that as well just by clicking on portrait. And once I'm done choosing my different settings, I can choose, different types of captions. I can do different types of image prompting. I can choose different voices. I can even use my own voice. I can use music, and then I can click on generate and it will start generating the video. Now here's the other thing. This is all AI images, right? So if I look at the images here, these are all generated with AI. If I wanted to do a stock video instead, I can use the stock video feature inside of Shineify, and it will actually generate me a stock video that is actual real video opposed to AI generated images inside of a video. So it just really depends on which one you want to use. And again, if you don't want to use any AI generated video, you could also always head over to somewhere like Fiverr or Upwork or Online Jobs. There's so many different websites that will allow you to hire a video editor to go and start editing the video that you just did the voiceover of. And you can tell them, hey, I did a voiceover for this video. Would you mind adding all of the necessary things to make this video complete? The third option is you can use something like CapCut, which I actually did a tutorial on CapCut. I will leave in the link in the description of this video. But I would also recommend, if you want to just edit your own videos and you have a little bit more time, watch this video and go and start making videos with a free editing tool like CapCut. It's very, very easy to use, and you're really just dragging and dropping your videos in here. But that's pretty much it. Besides doing the video, really we just have to upload it by going to YouTube, clicking on upload, and adding our affiliate link in our description. And by the way, I use ChatGPT to build my description as well. All I do is just say, now please make a YouTube description for this video, and boom, it's going to generate me the description, and I can put that right below. Here you can see it even puts where my affiliate link's going to be, and looks like it even recommends where the timestamps are going to be as well, which, by the way, if you want accurate timestamps, I would recommend heading over to the GPT store and finding the video summarizer, because this allows you to just take any URL for a YouTube video and it will automatically summarize that video. So that way you don't have to actually do the timestamps, and ChatGPT will do it for you. So that's it for today. And if you want to stay updated, I do recommend you get into our Discord, grab the free trial to Shineify, and join our calls that we do every week, so that you can join a group of other people that are interested in learning how to become successful with AI and ChatGPT as well. I will see you in the next video. And until I do, I wish you the best and happy money making. We'll see you. Bye.